Hey guys, I'm James Allen from the Knife Life. Thank you for joining us here at the 2023 Blade Show. With us today, we have Joe Bradley from Kabar Knives, who's going to show off some of the brand new stuff that Kabar has to show. Thank you for joining us today.
Hey, thank you. It's always a pleasure.
So, what do you got for us today?
So, first and foremost, we just celebrated our 125th anniversary, so pretty nice milestone for Kabar. And with that, I will segue into this product right here. This is from our State and Union shop. This is our OSF Boulder. This is something we did in-house, small batch. This version is anodized with engraving. This is S35VN steel. And this kind of goes back to our roots of being cutlers, more so than mass production. So, kind of a nice jump back with that 125th anniversary to go back to a product like this.
Very cool. So where does this design really originate from?
So this particular design actually originated from our CEO, John Stitt. This is something that he drew up. We originally saw it in our 3066 folder. That was something we had mass produced in Asia. It was pretty popular. It was something we wanted to make an American version as well with premium materials.
Very cool.
And I'll segue into these next two products are both part of our Becker knife and tool line, designed by Ethan Becker. Okay. And a very popular line for us, probably our most popular outside of Kabar itself. And this is the Becker BK41 Nessmuk. This is manufactured in the US with raw German steel. Nessmuk blade shape and burnt bronze finish. So I don't have the sheath here with me, but comes with a USA made sheath as well.
Very cool. And is this aimed more towards utilitarian purposes, kind of a camp knife?
Yeah, this is aimed towards the bushcraft community.
Okay.
Kind of a do-it-all outdoor knife.
And then what's this little guy you got here?
This little guy right here is also part of that Becker knife and tool lineup. This is the BK41. It's a Becker folder. It's made of D2 tool steel. And this is kind of the little brother of our BK40 Becker folder. It's about 3/4 the size, better steel. Sits a little nicer in the pocket. It's got the wire clip here as well. Multiple options for carry. So this is also an extension of that line as well.
So obviously not everybody can make it to Blade Show, but for those who can't make it, where can they find these knives available?
So you can find all these knives on our website at kabar.com. The Becker products you can find throughout our distribution and dealer network. So that's ranging anywhere from Blade HQ, Smoky Mountain Knife Works, A.G. Russell, Knife Center, all the big hitters that are known for selling high-end knives.
Thank you for talking with us today. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.